Welcome back to our channel. On today's tutorial we are going to teach you on how to make a simple way to make a bag. First of all, you need a plain material. We are using 28 by 17. 28 by 17. So first step, you fold it, make sure that it's very equal. Then you mark a 2 inches from this bottom, 2 inches here. This is 2 inches. Also mark 2 inches here. That is 2 here, from here to here 2, and also from here to here 2 is 2. You mark the same thing this side, 2 inches. Also mark 2 here. Then you make your cutting. As you can see, after making your cuttings, then you fold it. After folding, you still measure 2.5. You mark it here. You also use 2.5 again. You mark it here. And you make a slight curve. Then you measure 1.5. You mark it. Then you measure 2.5 here. Then you make a slight curve. Then you make your cutout. See it. So this is what our cutting. After making the cutout, then you find, so we are going to use this one as our handle. This is our handle. Then you place it here, then you sew here. I'm going to sew here. I'll also say I will tack it very well, but it's our handle. The same thing, I'll repeat it over here. I'll also sew here. After placing the handle, you can see I have sewed the both sides. I have also sewed this side. Then the next thing, I'll place it like this. As you can see, after placing it, then I will turn it. So the handle is inside. You can see. place it very well. Then I will sew from here. I will sew here. I will also sew here around. I will also sew here. I will also repeat it in the other side too. We proceed by making the cuttings of this excess part. So likewise, I cut the other side too. Before you finally make your turn. You can see it. So we finally make our turn. You can see it. So I will sew here around. I will tag this place to make sure that it is tagged very well. I will go around. I will also repeat it at the other side. So I made my top stitch round for the both side. So I sew here. I make a sewing through this side. I also repeat it at the other side too again. Then I sew this side, so I will use my pin to hold it. I'm going to sew this side too. I will sew it to stop at here. I will sew it directly here. I also repeat it at the other side, this place again. I will also tag here because I'm sewing this side. So after sewing this side, then this place you bend it. You can see I'll hold it and divide it into two like this. So this joint I will sew here to complete. I will use my pin to hold it. So I sewed here, then I also sewed here. I repeat the same thing at this side. I also here. Then I make my turnings. I make my turnings. I make my turnings. As you can see it. Thanks for watching. This is the end of our tutorial. Please do like, subscribe and make your comments and share. Thanks for watching.